Hello students! Welcome to this video lesson in ICT for Grade 9 series. In this lesson, we are going to learn about network topologies. Let us start by looking at the contents of the lesson. In this video, we will learn about what a network topology is, types or examples of network topologies, and then we will have a quick test, and then we will end with a recap. What a network topology is? It is a physical and logical layout of a network. It can also be referred as a pattern in which nodes are connected. A node can be any computer or any other device like a printer. In this lesson, we will use both the term node or computer to describe network topologies. Let's now take a look at the different types of network topologies. There are 5 main types of network topologies, namely bus topology, ring topology, star topology, mesh topology, and finally tree topology. There are other network topologies, but for grade 9, only these will be considered. Let's take the first one, bus topology. In bus topology, all the nodes are connected to a single cable. One computer sends information at a time on the network. As you can see on the screen, computer 2 is sending information to computer 5 along the main cable. To add a computer, we need to shut down the whole network first. And finally, if the main cable fails, the whole network goes down. The second topology is the ring topology. As you can see on the screen, all the devices in a ring network are connected in a circular arrangement. Information goes around the ring until it reaches the correct computer. For example, if node 1 sends a message to node 4, the message passes through node 2 and 3 to reach node 4. To add a computer, we need to shut down the whole network first. And finally, if the cable fails, the whole network goes down. The third topology is star topology. A star network is a topology in which all nodes are individually connected to a central connection point, like a hub or a central computer. As you can see on the screen, all information passes through the central computer or hub. Adding a new computer is very easy. A new cable will be used to connect the new computer to the central computer. When one computer goes down, the network is not affected. If the central computer goes down, that is the hub, the whole network is affected. The fourth topology is the mesh topology. A mesh network is a topology setup where each node is interconnected with one another. This means that a computer must be able to connect to all computers in the network. For example, building network 2 is connected to building network 4, 5, 3, and 1. Data sent from one computer is received by all other computers. Adding a device to the network can be very difficult. We must make sure that the device is connected to all computers in the network. And finally, troubleshooting is very difficult here because the information can flow at different routes. The last topology is the tree topology. A tree topology is a special type of structure in which many connected elements are arranged like branches of a tree. Data sent from one computer is received by all the other computers. It is simple to install and extend the network by simply plug in the new device. Troubleshooting is easy by checking the branch which is not working. Now, to evaluate what you have learned today, let us do a quick test. Read the following questions carefully. You will have about 3 seconds to give your answer. The physical and logical layout of a network is called branch, topology, or node. The answer is topology. The physical and logical layout of a network is called topology. Next question. Which network topology has a central computer? Star, mesh, or ring? The answer is star topology. Next question. A bus network has a main, cable, node, printer. The answer is cable. A bus network has a main, cable. Next question. Troubleshooting is very easy in a tree topology. True or false? The answer is true. It is done by checking the branch which is not working. In mesh network, the nodes are not interconnected to each other. True or false? The answer is false. Each computer in a mesh network is connected to each other. Well, students, this is the end of our quick test. I'm sure that you found all the correct answers. It's now time for a recap of today's lesson. The first topology that we have learned about is the bus topology. The bus topology uses a single cable to connect all the computers. One computer can communicate at a time. To add a computer, the network should be turned off. If the main cable fails, the whole network fails. The second topology was the ring topology. All nodes are connected together to form a ring. Information goes around the ring until it reaches its destination. To add a node, the network should be turned off. If one node breaks down, the whole network is affected. The third topology was the star topology. All computers are connected to a central computer. All information must pass through the central computer. Adding a node is very easy. If one node breaks down, the network is not affected. The fourth topology was the mesh topology. Every node is connected to each other. All computers on the network receive the message sent by a computer. Adding a new node can be complicated, and troubleshooting can be very difficult. The last and the fifth topology that we learned was the tree topology. Nodes are arranged like branches in a tree. All computers on the network receive the message sent by a computer. Adding a node is very easy. Troubleshooting is very easy. Dear students, we have reached the end of today's video. We hope that you like it. Thank you for being with us. See you next time and goodbye.